Okay, so I set this post on X and I met this pretty cool file naming convention called Meaningful Mononym Filenaming. It's a pretty interesting concept from Viktor Tóth, and I would like to try it on live. So I will ask my favorite IDA agent to apply this file naming convention for one of my repo. So let's start it by just cloning this convention. So I'm going to work with a zebrafish brain modeling repository. It's basically just data science research, so nothing serious here. Okay, so I have the MF file here, and so it's supposed to be an MD file. I'm just wondering, can I open it for a preview? Yeah, great. So the extension wasn't necessary for the windsurf to open the MD file. However, these titles is a bit messed up, but the hashtags 1.2 works pretty well. Okay, let's pick a good model. Sonnet 4.0 thinking should be great. And let's prompt it. Oh yeah, I will prompt it with voice, much easier, I don't have to type. Okay, so there is a naming convention in MMF per MMF file. It's actually an MD file, so handle it accordingly. So first of all, read this file and try to understand it, try to get the meaning of it, and when you are ready with that, rename all the files and folders in this repository to compile with this specification and ensure that everything works as before, so all the files runs perfectly, etc., etc. Okay, I don't think etc., etc. is a good prompt, but likely we can just delete it. Okay, let's see how it works. So we are starting it at 2.5 minutes of the video. So it's trying to understand the naming convention. Good luck with that. Good luck with that. Okay, so Cloud said understood it. I'm just wondering if the agent is familiar with the Oxford 5000. Maybe it would be nice to add the word list to the repository so it will make easier for the agent to work with it, or not easier but more precise. And also the French version, I believe, is required for the specification, and also a legacy version of the Oxford Dictionary. Also, instead of applying the renaming itself, it's creating a script for it. I'm just wondering, is it able to add a Python script or a Bash script for the MMF standard repository for apply it automatically? But I believe since all the scripts would be system specific, so it would depend on the operating system, I think it's better to just make the agent do it. Everyone has the agent already. Okay, it's trying to run it but has no permission. I'm just wondering how we get this name from. Yeah. Okay, so this is basically the forgiveness structure. I'm wondering if we can do it with the forgiveness structure. Yeah, it's way big, way too big loophole. It's a way to cheat. MMF temp. Wow. Okay. So basically, just create two versions of everything. Uh, Python's. Oh yeah, it's for testing. I believe so. Okay, what about the agent? Did it stack? Okay, so I try to run my transcript. Okay, so it was unable to import Torch, which is fine because I think it's the virtual environment. The agent is still working on the issue. Where is my virtual environment? Where has it gone? Oh, here it is. Okay. Why is it failed generating all the time? Let's test on it. Yeah, of course, because it doesn't work. Okay, let's try calculate. Okay, so besides that CUDA, which is already fucked up stuff on Windows, it seems like the Python scripts work fine. So it says it's cleaning up now. Okay, so repository is MMF complaint, and it just took 11 minutes, so it was 9 minutes for the agent to create it, plus the final function test. And it's just creating the final documentation. So the files are build, calculate, explore, extract, load, process, readme, test, train, verify. If I read it together, build, calculate, export, extract, load, process, readme, test, train, verify. So it doesn't really seem a meaningful sentence, but Cloud Sonnet 4.5 thinking says now it's perfectly compliant with the specification. Job done. Thank you.